In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the "this document could not be printed" error in Adobe Acrobat. It's a frustrating issue, but don't worry, we'll get it sorted out together in just a few minutes. First things first, let's make sure Adobe Acrobat is open on your computer. Once you've got it up and running, you need to navigate to the Help menu at the top of the window. This is your go-to spot within Acrobat for support options and useful updates. Click on Help, and you'll see an option labeled Check for Updates. Go ahead and click on that. Adobe frequently releases updates that fix bugs and improve functionality, so updating to the latest version might just resolve the error you're encountering. If there are any updates available, take a moment to install them. This process might take a few minutes depending on your internet connection and the size of the update, but it's a critical step for making sure everything functions smoothly. Once the update is complete, you'll want to restart Acrobat to ensure the changes take effect. Now that Acrobat is up to date, let's talk about the printer itself. Make sure your printer is turned on and properly connected to your computer. This might seem like an obvious step, but it's always a good idea to double-check your connection, whether it's through a USB cable or a wireless network. It's surprising how often connectivity issues are the root cause of printing problems. With the printer powered up and connected, head back into Acrobat. Here, you'll need to set the correct printer if it hasn't been selected yet. Look around in the print dialog and make sure the printer you intend to use is chosen as the default option. Sometimes, especially if you have several printers or a new one has been installed, the wrong printer might be selected. Now, if, after all these steps, you're still facing issues, it might be necessary to repair your Adobe Acrobat installation. To do this, once again navigate to the Help menu and look for the option that says Repair Installation. This process will check the integrity of the program's files and fix any that may have gotten corrupted. It acts as a troubleshooting solution when other attempts haven't rectified the problem. By following these steps, you should be well on your way to resolving that pesky error in Adobe Acrobat. Remember, keeping your software updated and ensuring proper printer connectivity are key elements to maintaining a smooth experience. And if you do run into other technical hiccups, doing a repair can frequently solve the issue. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has helped you out. Feel free to reach out if you have more questions or need further assistance.